The Cyprus National Olympic Committee on Tuesday voiced strong opposition to the politicization of the upcoming Beijing Winter Olympic Games, attempted by some countries.
Definitely, I'm confident that China will present one of the best Olympic Games. It's also our policy. Cyprus Olympic Committee is against any kind of political influence. For that reason, we are sending our athlete, and we are also going there, myself, the Vice President of the Olympic Committee, and the General, Mr. Andreas Georgiou.
Cyprus, an eastern Mediterranean island with not much snow to provide adequate training fields, is sending only one athlete to Beijing 2022. 25-year-old Yonos Kuyumjian, also a university student, will take part in 3 events: alpine skiing, slalom and giant slalom.
I'm really confident the Chinese government did a really good job, so I think the games will be very protective and the measures are all really good.